Sixthreezero has recently unveiled its latest innovation, the two-front-wheel electric bike. This cutting-edge model introduces a unique approach to electric trikes, boasting a reverse trike appearance with two front wheels and a single rear wheel. Known as a tadpole appearance, this configuration offers superior stability and maneuverability compared to traditional trikes. One of the standout features of the Sixthreezero e-trike is its innovative steering mechanism, which required meticulous engineering to accommodate the dual front wheels. Despite the complexity of this appearance, Sixthreezero has managed to implement it without significantly increasing the cost of the e-trike. Moreover, the addition of a leaning mechanism enhances stability during turns, ensuring a comfortable and secure riding experience for users. The e-trike's front wheels, each measuring 16 inches, contribute to a lower center of gravity, further enhancing stability on various terrains. In contrast, the 20-inch rear wheel houses the powerful 750 watts electric motor, providing rear-wheel drive, a departure from the conventional front-wheel drive found in most e-trikes. This configuration not only improves traction, but also allows for a top speed of 25.7 kilometers per hour, surpassing many standard e-trikes on the market. For added convenience, the electric motor of the Sixthreezero two-front-wheel electric bike can be activated via either a thumb throttle or pedal assist mode. Equipped with a 48-volt battery boasting a capacity of 500 watt-hours, the e-trike offers a claimed range of 64 kilometers on a single charge in low-power pedal assist mode. However, users should note that the range may decrease significantly when riding at higher speeds. Price at $1,999, the latest offering from Sixthreezero in the electric trike arena, is poised to shake up the market. This affordable price tag makes the new e-trike an enticing option for enthusiasts and commuters alike. With its innovative learning feature and distinctive two-front wheel appearance, the Sixthreezero electric trike promises enhanced stability and maneuverability, particularly during cornering, a significant improvement over traditional e-trikes. The addition of a leaning mechanism, coupled with the dual front wheels, sets this e-trike apart from its competitors. Riders can navigate turns with confidence, knowing that the trike will maintain stability throughout the maneuver. This feature is especially appealing for those seeking a safe and enjoyable riding experience, whether for leisurely outings or daily commutes. Excitement is brewing in anticipation of the e-trike's release, with pre-orders currently available. According to Sixthreezero, shipments are slated to begin in just a couple of weeks, further fueling the anticipation among eager customers. With its affordable price point and impressive features, the new Sixthreezero electric trike is poised to make waves in the e-trike market, offering a compelling option for riders seeking stability, performance, and value. With its advanced features and innovative appearance, the Sixthreezero two-front-wheel electric bike sets a new standard for electric trikes, combining stability, performance, and versatility. Whether for leisurely rides or daily commuting, this e-trike offers an exhilarating and efficient means of transportation for riders of all skill levels. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, I'll be waiting for them in the comments. Have a nice day and God bless you.